Hi! In this video, I'll show you how to integrate Razorpay payments in CloudFunnels. Let's start! First, log into your CloudFunnels account, and on the sidebar, please click on Plugins. Then click on Add New Plugins button, and select Install from Marketplace. Search Razorpay on the search bar to find it easily. Then click on it and install. And it will notify you if it's installed successfully. Now that it's added here, click on this button to activate it. And when it's activated, you will see it on the sidebar menu. Click on it and select All Setups. Now let's click on Create New button. Then fill in the API setup. And for this integration, you will need a key ID and secret key. To get those, go to your Razorpay dashboard and log in. On the sidebar, scroll down and go to your settings. Then on the top section, click on API keys. And just a side note, this is my test mode. If you want to change it on live mode, just select that option. Live mode means all your transactions will be created as the real payments. So always remember, if you just want to test your Razorpay, set it up as a test mode. Now I'm currently on live mode, and I'll click here on Generate Live Key. And it will send an OTP to your number. And if you have received it, enter in your 6-digit OTP. Then click on Confirm. Now choose which of these two you prefer, to deactivate old key immediately or after 24 hours. Then click on OK. So now here is your key ID. You can copy these or you can also download it. So copy your key ID and paste it to your CloudFunnels. And do the same for the secret key. Then add in the title. And you can also add a tax amount, which will be applied as a percentage. When that's done, save your settings. Now that that's added, make sure you have a product listed. And if you don't have yet, just click on Create New and enter in the details of the product. Then on the sidebar, go to Funnels and Sites. Choose your funnel and click on the Edit Funnel button. Then select the Order Form page and click on Settings. Choose your product and payment method, the one we have added, Razorpay Live. Then save settings and you're done. And that is how you integrate live Razor payments to your CloudFunnels. Now if you want to test your Razorpay, just go back to Razorpay dashboard and again click on the test mode. Then on CloudFunnels, create a new setup for it. Add the title. This time it's Razorpay Test. Then generate a new test key. Copy those and paste it to your CloudFunnels. And save your settings. Then like we did earlier, go to Funnels and Sites. Choose your funnel, click the Edit button, and select Order Form page, click on the settings. Then from here, choose your payment method. Now you have the test mode and the live mode. You can just choose between the two. Just don't forget to save your settings. And that is it for today's video on how to integrate Razorpay payments on CloudFunnels. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.